In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vehicle to your Uber Partner portal. Whether you're expanding your fleet or simply updating your existing vehicle options, adding a vehicle is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. First things first, you want to open your web browser. It can be any web browser of your choice, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, just to name a few. Simply type in the URL partners.uber.com and hit enter. You'll be directed straight to Uber's partner portal where you manage your driving and vehicle-related activities. Once the portal loads, the next step is to log in. You'll be asked to provide your Uber account credentials. This is the same username and password you use for everything Uber related. After entering your details, click on the sign in button and you should seamlessly enter the main dashboard of your portal. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the menu on your screen. You'll want to locate and select the option labeled Vehicles. This section is your main access point for anything vehicle related in your Uber account, from current listings to adding new ones. It's time to add your new vehicle. Look for a button or link that says Add a new vehicle and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll be able to input the specific details about your vehicle. Uber needs this information to ensure your vehicle meets their driving standards and requirements, so accuracy is important. You'll see fields where you fill in key details such as the make, model, year, and color of your vehicle. Make sure to double-check your entries to avoid unnecessary delays in the approval process. Providing accurate and complete information will streamline things further down the line. Once you've filled out all the required information, the next step is to upload your documents. This is a crucial part of the process as Uber needs to verify your vehicle's information. Have clear and legible photos or scanned copies of essential documents such as your vehicle registration and insurance ready. Upload them directly to the portal. If the images are blurry or unclear, you may be asked to re-upload them, so double check before you proceed. Finally, submit the information for review. Once you've clicked the Submit button, your vehicle details and accompanying documents will be sent to Uber for inspection. This process can take a bit of time as they will review your entries and ensure everything is up to standard. Congratulations, you've just completed the process of adding a new vehicle to your Uber Partner portal. It's all about being prepared, diligent, and thorough in your submissions. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for further information. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial and happy driving.